This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Cango Inc., a China-based automotive commerce and fintech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CANG. This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CANG to find the stock. Locate the Cango Inc. listing to ensure you have the correct asset. Open the Cango Inc. asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled according to the broker's order types. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the broker used in this example is available in the description.